right firmness for your needs. And to help you decide, they've actually created a sleep quiz on their website. So you input things like how tall you are, how much you weigh, if you sleep hot or not, and what your sleep position is. After you enter all that data, they'll send you an email and they'll recommend one or two of their firmnesses. So right now I'm sitting on their firmest option, and then to my right I have their softest option. And these two ends of the spectrum, they're both all foam mattresses. So what they're using is a base layer of foam that's 7 inches thick, and then a top layer of the comfort foam at 3 inches thick. And what they do is they obviously change the densities to make it firmer or softer. So as you can see, not a whole bunch of sink here. Ball easily rolls around. As we transition over to the soft, there's considerably more sinkage in the soft mattress and slightly slower recovery as well. But what you get is superior cradling with the soft mattress. Now the two in between are actually hybrid mattresses. So it's that same 10-inch thick construction, but instead of a base layer of foam, they're using pocket coils encased in foam. So there's foam around the perimeter, but inside that are pocket coils, and then there's layers of foam on top of that, so you get a hybrid. So like I said, 4 different firmness options to choose from. Obviously, having the pocket coils, you'll get a more resilient mattress with a little bit more contouring and perhaps just a little bit more breathability as well. But all of these are the exact same price. So a queen retails for an astonishingly low $500, and that's before any discounts. So, you know, if there were any discounts, it'd be even lower than that, which really puts it at the top of the spectrum, or the far end of the spectrum in terms of price competition. Now, on top of that, they also offer a 365-night trial, and that means you can have it for an entire year to try out. If any time during that 365-night trial you don't like it, the return is free. On top of that, they also offer a 10-year warranty, which is a pretty standard mattress warranty. But what really shocked me about this company is that you get a queen-size bed mattress for $500 and 1 year to try it out. So they're definitely breaking the mold with some of those competitive terms. So lot of options to choose from with OkiOki. To top it all off, they also have this cooling phase change cover, and that's found on all of their mattresses. Now, a lot of companies are offering phase change. What I do like about OkiOki is they're using a considerable amount of it. So with some phase change material, it's pretty subtle. This one, you know right away, right when you touch it, that yes, this is a very cool to the touch mattress. And that's just going to help you fall asleep just a little bit faster. It's going to help bring down your body temperature to get to the right temperature for sleep. So more information, what we'll do is we'll show you the insides of the mattresses and really how those foams react from the different firmness levels. And that should really help you make a better decision on which firmness to get among the OkiOki brand. So just head on over to sleepsherpa.com for more information.